Hey Joshua here. We're so excited to present to you the official lyric video of our first single, a collaboration with songwriters Jude, Gitamondoc, Therese, Villarante, and 1032 Recording Studios. We're so excited.
Hinaod mi nga malingaw mo kay this one is para sa tanan nga mga Bisaya. Mga higala, here's my Morena girl.
Hey Inday, tagdasad ko gamay, Basin wala ka kabantay ba? Pirte nakong igoa sa imong pagkapayter, Molaag kolon. Memorize pagyud ang tanang lyrics sa Missing Filemon. Mauning akong kanta para sa imoha. I'd go and travel halfway around the world for my Morena girl. Mauning akong awi, di papipiri, motog ko forever, 'cause I have someone just like her, my Morena girl, my Morena, my Morena girl, my Morena. I know di ko original bistag, but whenever you say hey Joe, I feel like saying nahigugma ko nimo. Mamuwang ang akong aping whenever my blue eyes see you. Muski ubit ang kasing-kasing, wishing you could love me too. Mauning akong
Kumusta mga kabisaya? Kung nalingaw mo sa mong kanta, you can download the full song by donating to Kadasig. You can go to m.me/Kadasig Bisaya, or you can click the donate button right there. So ayaw mo malangay. Don't delay. Download our song and help us live our dream.
Forever, 'cause I have someone just like her. I can't love man ko Bisaya. So nung kong traffic sa Mandaway, anong lang makita ta, mag-abot ta sa Fuente, magkinabot man o magtuslo buwan, agdon di ka. Mauning akong kanta para sa imoha. I'd go and travel halfway around the world for my Morena girl. Mauning akong awi, di papipiri, motog ko forever, 'cause I have someone just like her. We're summer in the world. Yes, I'm so lucky I got her, my Morena girl, my Morena, my Morena girl, my Morena. Ooh, my Morena girl, my Morena, my Morena girl, my Morena. I love my Morena girl.
And that was Hey Joshua's very first single, My Morena Girl. But wait! There's more! This January, paabota ang among full music video with Fat Boys Productions.
In the meantime, support our Bisaya artists by donating to Kadasig. Kung gusto mo magpadayon mi, support the artist by paying it forward.
We're so excited to show you all what we've been working on, and we hope that you'll donate to Kadasig Bisaya and pay it forward.
This is the Hey Joe Show, saying daghang salamat sa inyong suporta.
Hangtod sa sunod nga kanta,
Padayong Bisaya!
But wait! There's more! Mo, ba? Unsa pa? Unsa mong good?
Ambot lang.
Unsa mong good?